Wara.
Lena le sejile di regulate mo camp.
Bro, which is to me. I know how that.
Why do you keep on coming?
There is always something new to fetch.
Yeah.
Grabalweji, Gitloja grandpa.
So Mutelo Rangia attend the camp, what can they learn?
You'll find new things about yourself. We think we know everything about us.
Yeah.
But if I may ask you now, who are you? You would not even take 1 minute to explain yourself.
So what do you do?
Yeah, it's not what you do. Mara, how Tlemo?
Yeah.
You can spend the whole day trying to explain to someone else about the you, the inner you.
Yeah.
So, yeah, there is more to take with to home to be a better person, because once you come out of here being a better you, you'll pour something to the people that you live or to the next person in a very positive manner, or a really I wanna uchella motho ntho o sna go gona ka mogare. Yeah.
So we can love people because
you,
of
yeah,
things like that.
yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
No ralabo.
Namuni ya tsifa.
Di regular ke go bona man. We
We.